In this tutorial, we'll explain how to configure and review logs for a specific entity. This is useful to verify whether an entity was modified or executed, and when it occurred. Start by locating the log section in the entity's configuration. There are two ways to store an entity's logs. The first option is Standard Log. By selecting this option, the logs are stored in the Standard Data Modeler logging table. The second option is TXT file in a server directory. By selecting this option, logs are saved as a .txt file in a specified server file path. If you choose this option, the system will ask you for the server file path. For this demonstration, we will type usr/sap/tmp. After configuring and saving the entity with its log type, let's review how to access each type of log. First, to review the standard log, on the main screen of the SAP Data Modeler, click on Execution. Then, select Display Log. In this section, you can apply multiple criteria to filter and view the logs you need. To filter logs by the business process defined in an entity, select the domain in the subobject log field. Select the business process linked to the entity whose logs you want to review. Additionally, you can set more parameters to narrow your search and simplify log review. You can also filter by message type to view errors, successes, warnings, or all logs. In this example, we'll review all logs for the order to cash business process created on August 26, 2025. Once you've set your parameters, click Execute. In the resulting list, the user can identify several key elements related to the execution of entities. The most relevant fields include icon, in a graphical manner, indicates whether the process ran successfully with a warning or with an error. Date and time, show the exact moment of the execution or modification of the entity. User, shows which SAP user modified or executed the entity. Entity, shows the name of the entity that was modified or executed. Tables and key. This columns inform the user the specific tables were executed in the specific entity and its key value. Text message, shows a general text of the outcome of the modification or execution. When sending data, it shows the offset of the sent message to compare in the endpoint. RFC destination. This is the configured endpoint where the information was sent from the executed entity. Now let's see how to find your logs if they were saved as a .txt file. In the search bar, type transaction AL11. In the SAP directories, locate the directory assigned to your entity. In our example, we use /usr/sap/tmp. Double-click the directory to open it. Inside the directory, a new file will be created with the name of your entity. Double-click the file to open it and review the log contents. The contents of this logs will be very similar to what we reviewed in the standard log. If you wish to download the file as an .txt file in your local drive, click in Download Files as Text, or use the shortcut Shift plus F5.